Hi, this is Deborah Richardson of Deborah Richardson LLC. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you are in accounts payable or procurement and you handle the onboarding of vendors, you are in the right place. Please take a look at my podcast and videos surrounding accounts payable vendor setup and how to not send that fraudulent payment and how to not incur those regulatory compliance, fees, penalties, audit findings. Learn to set up vendors using my authentication, validation, and management proprietary process that can again keep you from sending out the fraudulent payment or paying penalties and fines for being non-compliant. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe today so that you will not miss any updates. Again, thanks for coming to my channel, and I'll see you later.